Hi, today in front of me Lenovo Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute notifications you should slide to the left side this volume panel with your finger. But by this way you will mute not only notifications but also the ringtones, and if you want to stay with the ringtones and to mute only notifications, just unmute this volume panel and scroll down to default notification sound, and now switch your currently sound just to none, tap to OK to save the changes, and by this way you will mute your notifications but you'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.